Blue Planet 2.
Hi, this is Tom, and here is my review and guide of the Amazon Fire TV Stick. To improve Wi-Fi and remote performance, the instructions do recommend attaching the included HDMI extender to your Fire Stick. So let's do that now.
So this also needs to have power connected to it. So before I connect it to the TV, let's connect the power cable to it. Okay, and then this can now be connected to your TV and to your main socket.
Before you can start using your Amazon Fire Stick, you need to select the HDMI channel on your TV that your Fire Stick is plugged into. Now select your Wi-Fi network to connect your Fire Stick to. Next, you will be prompted for your Wi-Fi password, which you should be able to find on your router. After entering your password, click Connect and it will start connecting to your Wi-Fi network. Now we need to register or create a new account with Amazon. I already have an account with Amazon, so I'm just going to enter my Amazon email address and password. Now follow the on-screen instructions to select your preferred language. After successfully registering or creating a new account with Amazon, Amazon will show you a short introductory video on how you can use your new Amazon Fire Stick.
Press and hold the microphone button and ask for a title, actor, director or category, like this. Search for Happy Feet 2.
The voice command responds quickly to your instructions.
Blue Planet 2. Michael Caine. Latest movies.
Here are the latest films: Captain Marvel, 5 Feet Apart, Mississippi Baller, Triple Frontier, and Ben is Back. To see a longer list, take a look at the Alexa app.
You can also search through your apps using the outer ring to go left, right, up or down, and then the middle button to select. I can just scroll through. You You've even got top 3 games. I've just selected that game there. Car parking 3D. Oh, that's only 2 out of 5, so I think I'll leave that one. And then you got popular movies, recommended apps. So there's a good selection. You can also control your Amazon TV Fire Stick hands-free if you have the Amazon Echo Dot, if you have the 2nd generation Echo Dot, or even if you have the latest 3rd generation Echo Dot. And I'll show you how to do that in my next video, which should be coming up here somewhere. So in the meantime, if you did enjoy my video, please thumbs it up and subscribe, and hope to catch you soon.